The kingdom of God, what Yeshua really meant and why it still matters today. Hey friends, welcome back to Healthy in Heart. Have you ever wondered why Yeshua talked so much about the kingdom of God? It's not just a future dream, it's a present reality. And today we're going to explore what the kingdom of God really means, how to live it daily, and whether it could be a return to Eden itself. So let's start with the big question. What is the kingdom of God? Yeshua said the kingdom of God is within you. That means it's not just about heaven someday. It's about God's rule and reign right now in your heart, in your home, in your choices, in your relationships. It's not a place. It's a presence. And when Jehovah's will is done, the kingdom is alive. Yeshua's parables paint a vivid picture. He said the kingdom is like a mustard seed. It's tiny at first, but it grows into something huge and unshakable. It's like a hidden treasure worth selling something to gain, worth selling everything to gain. It's not flashy, it's not always visible, but it transforms everything it touches. In Matthew 6:33, Yeshua says, "Seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness." That's not a suggestion, it's a blueprint. So how do we seek the kingdom first? We put righteousness before recognition. We trust the King, Yehovah, to provide. We live the values of mercy, humility, and peace. We surrender self-rule and let Yehovah lead. Want to live the kingdom now? Here are some ways. Be radically generous. Keep Shabbat and slow down. Speak words of life. Be a peacemaker. Disciple someone else. But above all, treat other people the way you would want them to treat you. The kingdom grows not through politics or power, but through people just like you, living with divine purpose. So here's a question for you. Could the kingdom of God be a return to Eden? In Genesis, humanity walked with God in perfect harmony. Yeshua's healings and miracles reversed the curse of the fall. Every act of restoration echoed Eden. Revelation doesn't show us escaping earth. It shows a new creation, a garden renewed, the kingdom fully come. The kingdom of God isn't just something you believe in. It's something you live. It's righteousness. It's peace. It's joy in the spirit. It's Eden beginning again with you. If you want to dive deeper, you have to read the full article. The full article is linked below. At the bottom, you will find a free resource, Living the Kingdom of God Journal Worksheet. It's free for you to print and use. And while you're there, check out more kingdom living content on Healthy in Heart. Until next time, remember to listen and obey and stay healthy in heart.